Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to bulk update a field across many records in Copper CRM. Alright, so first up, go ahead and select a record. It would be people, companies, leads, or opportunities. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and use people right here for this example. Now, if you want to, you could go ahead and select all, go to all people, select all from this checkbox, or pick it one by one, or you could go ahead and filter it out. Okay, filter. Now, once you've filtered it out, you can now go ahead and select all. Okay. Now click on the pen icon that says edit, like so. For example, we have title in here. It says click to edit with two different values. Okay. Why two? Because we have copper contacts and blank. Okay. Click to edit. I'm going to go ahead and add in the title, just copper contacts. Okay. And then once done, I'm going to hit on update. Yes, submit. Wait for it. And here we now have the copper contacts added. Okay. Now I'm going to do the same, edit. So it says here we have the contact type. So different values, it meant this one. So you can see we have potential customers, current customer, or uncategorized. If you want to bulk edit it, like these are all your potential customers, you can go and do that. Okay. Just hit on update. I'm just going to cancel it. Like so, in the visibility, use the invisibility settings, okay, depending on how you set it up right here under your workspace settings, of course, or you can go ahead and manually set the visibility for everyone. Now, description, you can go ahead and add in your description and tags, okay, maybe new tag 2025, like that, and sample tag, which I have in here, okay. Other fields right here, I have created this one at the birthday. You can go ahead and leave it or add in if you want to, okay? Click on update, yes, submit. There you go. You go to title and the tags right here. All right, and there you have it. That is basically how you bulk update a field across many records in Copper CRM. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.